Hey guys, hope everybody's doing great today. We'll go over the stuff that I got today. Starting off with this Lodge 20C2. I have never seen one of these before, so as soon as I saw it come up, I put a bid on it and nobody else did, so it came to me. Then we've got this Mallard, which those are always nice to get. And then we have a number 3 smooth bottom large block logo, and then we've got the little ashtray from Griswold. Got this little blue turkey pan that should match the other gym pans that I've got that look like this, so thought it'd be cool to have the whole group. Then we got the griddle lid that goes to that skillet, and you guys know my history with Smithey, so I heard that they worked on the cooking surface, so we'll try it out, and if it don't work out, I'll just restore it and we'll find it a new home. And then we have a camper trailer by Lodge from their Wanderlust series. And then this one over here, I got this because it looked like this piece right here was the lid to that. But when I get it, this piece is nearly 2 inches skinnier than that. So I don't know why they came as a set, but maybe there was another piece missing somewhere. But anyway, I'll sell the bottom piece for tortillas or something, and then, you know, somebody can use the top one to cook in. We got a flea market this weekend, so hopefully I can move some of this stuff because we're under 2 weeks until I have to get my surgery. So I've been trying to knock out as much stuff as I can, and most of this stuff, the only pieces I really have to restore here are going to be the 2 imports on the end and that Lodge there and the Lodge right there. So trying to get stuff that either I can put straight out or it's real quick to get them restored. So alright guys, everybody stay cool. Hope you have a great one.